Dear students, good morning. This is Devraj. Now we are discussing the topic how we are calculating the simple frequencies when cumulative frequencies are given. In the last class, we learned from less than cumulative to simple frequencies. Now I am explaining about the when the data is given in more than cumulative frequencies to how we are calculating, how we can calculate the simple frequencies. That question. Convert the following into simple frequency table. Marks above and the number of students above 0, above 10, above 20, above 30, above 40. Here above is the common. Marks above is the common for all 60, 70, 80 and 90. And some frequencies are given 80, 77, 72, 65, 55, 40, 25, 15, 10 and 8. Now, these are the cumulative frequencies. How we are calculating the simple frequencies, right? Now, for calculation of the less than to simple, for calculation of the more than to simple, the table will be the same only, but calculation part will be the different. Now, so take the 3 columns for calculation of the simple frequencies. First one which is class interval, second which is cumulative frequencies, third which is simple frequencies. Class interval, CF and simple frequencies. But heading must be out right because in examination you have to gain the marks. For gaining of the marks, must prepare the table properly and information will be clearly. Heading calculation of simple frequencies. Simple frequencies. But how to take the class interval? If you observe, every difference 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, every difference is given 10, 10, 10. So you should take as the difference as 10 difference. 0 above, 10 above, 20 above, 30 above, every difference 10. 0 above, we have to take as 0 to 10. 10 above, 10 to 20. 20 above, 20 to 30. 30 above, 30 to 40. Like that, we have to take up to 90 above. So till 90 above means what? 90 to 100. Right? Whatever the frequency is cumulative. So which is more than? Why? Because this is called the more than. Frequencies are given in descending order, which is called as more than cumulative frequency, which is 80, 77, 72, 65, 55, 40, 25, 15, 10 and 8. This is the given question. From this information, how we are calculating the simple frequencies. Here frequencies we are calculating. Every difference is given 10, we have taken as the same. 10 difference, 0 above, 10 above, 20 above, every difference is 10, 10, 10. For that reason, we have taken the difference is 10. Now here, whatever the frequencies are given in descending order, which is called as more than cumulative frequencies. Now we should convert to the simple frequency. But how? Just we take the differences. Under the less than cumulative frequencies, from less than to more than cumulative frequencies, we calculated from top to bottom. Right? Means first lower to upper. Lower observation to observation there. But here we have to calculate same lower observation. Where it is lower observation? In the last class interval. Higher observation, upper lower class interval. So last one, first one. So here we have to calculate the frequency from last to first, because this is the frequency are given descending order, which is more than cumulative frequency. But how? First one means last one we have to take as the as it is gain. So above 90, that is 90 and above, there is no 100 above, 90 above up to 100 only, which is 8. Then next one, 10 minus 8, which is 2. Just we take the difference between these two, 10 minus 8. Next one, 15 minus 10. Take the difference between these two. but cannot be taken 10 minus 15. We have to take as the 15 minus 10. Next one, 25 minus 15, which is 10. 25 minus 15. Then 40 minus 25, which is 15. 40 minus 25, 15. And as well as use the calculator also, whether it is correct or not. Just cross check once, and if anything is there, just give me. And 55 minus 40, this is also 15. Then 65 minus 55, how much it is? 10. Right? Then 72 minus 65, which is 7. Then 77 minus 72, which is 5. Next, 80 minus 77, which is 3. Right? These are the simple frequencies. Here the frequencies we are calculating from the upper to lower. Upper to lower. Last one, which is 8. Then 10 minus 8, 2. 15 minus 10, 5. And 25 minus 15, 10. Then 40 minus 25, 15. Then 50 minus 40, 15. Then 65 minus 55, 10. Then 72 minus 65, 10. Oh, sorry, 72 minus 65, 7. 65 minus 55, 10. 77 minus 72, which is 7. 80 minus 77, 3. 77 minus 72, 5. Like that we have to calculate all frequencies. Last one 8, 10 minus 8, 15 minus 10, 25 minus 15, 40 minus 25, 55 minus 40, 65 minus 55, 72 minus 65, 77 minus 72, 80 minus 77. These are the simple frequencies. But here we have to calculate, we should calculate the total frequencies. How? Add these all the frequencies. Right. See here, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, plus 10, 25. 25 plus 15, 30, 40, 55, 65, 70, 72 plus 8, 80. So that is equals to highest one is what? 80. 80 is the total frequency. Right? This is the procedure for calculation of the more than cumulative frequencies to simple frequencies. Right? Like that, practice these problems for calculation of the less than to simple frequencies and as well as more than to simple frequencies. Okay, this is the procedure. And whatever the problems are there, once again practice the problems. So dear students, once again, for gaining of the marks, practice is very important. Without practice we can't get any full marks. Okay, thank you so much. This is Devraj.